my neighbors!
Hey, fuck you!
Yes! Yes! Fuck you too!
What's your name?
What?
What is your name?
Tony!
Fuck you, Tony!
What's your name?
Ezekiel!
Fuck you, Ezekiel!
Fuck you!
Fuck you!
Hey, you know what I did last night?
You better not bring my mother into this!
You know what I did?
You better not!
I put that fire over there.
Oh!
And I fucked your mother next to it.
Fuck you, Ezekiel!